What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is YoManAlberto for another video, and today's video is going to be on a Jordan 3. Now, this is going to be another MJ Monday, and so you know I had to do it right with the Jordan 3 AMaManieres. Now, these shoes are so hard. These are definitely the sneaker of the year, at least for me, in my opinion. I love these sneakers so much. Now, I'm normally not a 3 kind of guy. I don't wear 3s. These are my first pair of 3s, but the colorway, the idea behind it, everything, it was just calling my name. So let me show you guys exactly what it looks like. Boom, right here. Here it is. You can see right there, it's majority all white colorway with some gray suede, and then you have like this plumish color and then a little bit of sail right here at the bottom. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Right there on the back, Nike Air, super, super dope. Now, I did get lucky on this shoe. I was actually at the airport when this happened, when these dropped. I didn't even think I was gonna cop them, but I told myself, you don't know until you try, and I did try, and I normally take the L, but I took the W, fat old W, so super happy I tried. Glad I got them. So I actually ended up getting these about a month or two earlier because they dropped earlier on the see, I'm always forgetting how to say it, AMaManiere's site before they dropped on the sneakers site. I took the L on sneakers because I was trying to double up, but luckily I did get one pair for retail. So I'm super stoked and super happy. But first, let's do the review and then let's do the on feet, and that's gonna be it. Before we get into that, guys, follow my Instagram at YoManAlberto to see what I'm currently posting regarding sneakers, streetwear, outfits, all that good stuff. Now let's jump to the review. Now, starting off with the box right here, it does come in this plastic covering right here with the AMaManiere's logo right there, the A right there, all over print in this translucent with white. Now, the Jordan 3 box itself is super nice when you pull it out. The color is super nice. So right there on the top of the box, you have the Jumpman right there in the plum colorway. Underneath in light gray, you do have Flight. The box itself is going to be white. Underneath the box, the second half is going to be gray. And once you do open the box, you're greeted with the AMaManiere tissue paper. All over print, super nice detailing right there. Now, this was actually released in women's sizing only, and I did go for a size 10.5, which is equivalent to a size 9 in men's. So men only add 1.5 when going for a women equivalent. So a 9 plus 1.5 is 10.5. That's the easy, simple math right there. Now, as far as sizing on the shoe, guys, I do recommend going down half a size. Now, actually, one nice thing about this shoe is gonna have quilted satin lining on it. That's gonna make it super easy and simple for your feet to slide in and out of it. And I think that does help with sizing as well. Now, overall, this shoe just has detailing all around it. It's super nice. It's put together very, very well. Now, the majority of the shoe is going to be in white leather. It's going to be a nice, soft, tumbled leather. And this is actually a really nice leather. Not necessarily the softest, but not also really thick. It just feels like it's a sturdy, strong leather. Right there at the toe cap, we do have gray suede, and also right there in the back. And in the heel collar and eye stay, we do have that gray suede as well. And then on the back, it's not necessarily translucent, but it's definitely like a yellowish Nike Air heel tab. And then on the back of that heel tab, small detailing you guys can't see, but I'll show you. It says you have to get comfortable walking alone, and that's gonna be on the right shoe. Now, on the right shoe on the tongue, you do have the Jumpman right there embroidered in gray. I do have the white laces in right now, but it did come with sail laces if you did want that. Now, on each set of these lace tips, it's gonna say work harder. I love that piece of detailing, guys, because I'm always grinding, always grinding. So seeing that work harder detail, I'm just like, yep, I do need to work harder because I'm on a journey right now, and this is actually a really dope, inspirational shoe for me. That's why I love this shoe a lot. And then, you know, you have to get comfortable walking alone. I already know how that feels, so super cool. Now, the midsole is just super filthy as well. White, plum, sail, white, and gray. Oof, you know, it is just nice. That outsole with the gray, it just complements everything perfect. Even the leather on the white panels have a slight orange mark to it, and that's just extra detailing you normally don't even get with the leather. Now, on the left side of the back of the shoe, it says all we have is each other. Now, that's another cool piece of detailing right there, and I think you guys should definitely take the message in both ways, walking alone and also knowing that we need each other. This shoe, concept, message, detailing, everything about it, super dope. I loved it. Even the clothing from the collection was not too bad. I unfortunately just did not pick up any pieces as it was a little bit too expensive. Now, this shoe did retail for $200, and I believe I paid $25 or $30 for shipping, so I paid about $230 in total for this shoe. Now, as far as resale on it, you're looking at about $500 or so, if I'm still correct. But honestly, guys, I feel like in a year or two, these are definitely gonna go up. That's just my opinion. If you want them now, I'd say cop them now if you can. Now, another cool thing about this Jordan 3 is it came with a hang tag with the Nike Air and that plum colorway, and also had an AMaManiere little cardboard tag right there next to it. So nice detailing all around. Okay, guys, coming back from the on feet, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, smash that like button. Please give it a big thumbs up, as it does help boost this video up in the algorithm. It helps grow my channel. I want others to see this video and just see my opinions and thoughts on it as well. So very much appreciated if you guys could give it a thumbs up. So thank you very much for that. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe, as I do post Monday and Thursdays and some additional Saturdays as well. So come back for the next MJ Monday. You don't want to miss it, guys, or even on the next Thursday video. One more time, follow my Instagram at YoManAlberto to see what I'm currently posting regarding sneakers, streetwear, outfits, all that good stuff. But that's going to do it for me, guys. So stay fresh, stay fly. I'm out.